Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Abdurrahman from Afghanistan, and today I will show you how to use VirtualBox with complete step-by-step guide. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about VirtualBox, what the VirtualBox is. Well, VirtualBox is a software in which you can install Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, even you can install Mac OS inside your computer or inside VirtualBox. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube about VirtualBox, but none of them was completed. After watching those incomplete videos, I have decided to make this complete tutorial for you guys. So I hope you like it. And so let's jump over to my computer and I'll show you how the things are done. So just stay tuned.
To download the VirtualBox, just go to Google and type Oracle VirtualBox. Type here Oracle. Then click on the first link where it says Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on that. And after that, click on the downloads option. Okay, now if you are using Windows, then click on the first link where it says VirtualBox for Windows host. Just click on that. If you are on Mac, just click on second option. If you are using Linux, just click on the third one. So I'm going to click on the first one because now I'm using Windows, and then click on start to download. I'm not downloading because I already have one. So once you have downloaded the VirtualBox, this one, don't forget to download the extension pack of the same version of the software. Without extension pack, you cannot use VirtualBox properly. To download the VirtualBox extension pack, just look at the version, which version it is. It's the 4.3.14 version, and here is the extension pack of this version, VirtualBox 4.3.14 Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. Then click on this button. Okay guys, after downloading VirtualBox, install it into your PC. So my VirtualBox I have downloaded is in this drive, VirtualBox. Install it as usual. Okay, once your VirtualBox is installed, first of all go to File and install the extension pack. Without extension pack, you cannot use VirtualBox properly. So first of all, go to File, then click on Preferences, then click on Extensions. So I have already installed, so I will remove this one. I will install it again for you. So to install extension pack, click on this button, this little button. Click on that and find the VirtualBox extension pack wherever you have downloaded. So mine one is here, Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Click on Open, Install. Now here you can see I agree is not active now because you have to read all of these agreement. So scroll down and click on I agree. Now extension pack is installed successfully. Okay, click on OK. And now we are going to create a virtual machine. Inside VirtualBox, whatever you install, whatever Windows you install is called virtual machine. So I'm going to install Windows 7 into this VirtualBox. So to do that, click on New and select the operating system you want to install. You can install Linux, even even Mac OS into this VirtualBox. So currently I'm going to install Windows. So I'm going to install Windows 7. So give it a name, Windows 7, and select the Windows 7 from here. Click on next, and then select the RAM of the virtual machine that you are installing now. So its recommended size for Windows 7 is 512 MB. It's okay for me. So click on next. Select second option where it says create a virtual hard drive now. Click on that and then click on next, create, and then select the first option VDI. Click on next, and then choose this option dynamically allocated. Next, and now from here you can select the size of your virtual machine, size of the drives of your virtual machine. I'm going to give 20 gigabytes because 20 gigabytes is enough for me. So click on create, and now our Windows 7 is created. And now now it's created. Now how we can install Windows 7? Now how we can install Windows 7 from the CD-ROM? So here I have a Windows 7 DVD. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I'm going to put it to my CD-ROM. Just wait for it to load. Select the virtual machine, click on start, select your hard drive or CD-ROM, then click on start. Okay, now it's Windows. Okay, now our installation is started. I will skip this part. You know why? Because everyone knows how to install Windows. So I will skip this part. Okay, now we have successfully installed our virtual machine or Windows 7. Now we are not done yet. We have a few more things to do. First of all, install Guest Edition in your virtual machine. Without installing Guest Edition, your virtual machine is like a car without engine. So installing Guest Edition is very important. To do that, go to Devices menu, then click on Install Guest Editions. Click on that. After that, go to your My Computer and open your CD or DVD drive, which is now changed to VirtualBox Guest Edition. Just open it and then select the one that is VBox Windows Editions. Just install that. Next, install. Just check mark this option, always trust software from Oracle Corporation, then click on install. Okay, installing Guest Edition allows you to share your files from your original computer to your virtual machine. So after installing Guest Edition, you have complete access to your original computer's files or programs. So just wait for the installation of Guest Edition. Okay, after installing Guest Edition, your virtual machine will restart once. Just click on Finish to restart your your virtual machine. As you can see now, it is when you maximize or minimize your virtual machine, it's not showing full screen. After restarting your virtual machine, it will be on full screen. So just wait for the reboot. Okay, now our virtual machine is restarted. So now you can see we have full screen of our virtual machine. So and now I will show you how to share your files from your original computer to your virtual machine. As you can see, if I want to copy this folder and paste it into my virtual machine, it doesn't work this way. You have to share your files from your original computer to your virtual machine. You have to share a folder. To do that, go to Devices menu, then click on Shared Folders, then click on this plus sign folder. Now folder path, Other, and now select a folder that you want to share. In my case, I am sharing this VirtualBox folder. You can also share a drive or a single file from your computer. So you can also share your D drive or C drive or E drive, whatever you want. But in my case, I'm going to share my only one single folder. So select that, then OK. Then check mark this option, Make Permanent. There are 3 options, but you have to check Make Permanent. So what it does is, if you check this Make Permanent, whenever you change something on your folder, it will update it automatically. So click on OK. OK again. Now right click on my computer icon, then click on Map Network Drive, and now click on Browse. Okay, select a folder that you have shared. In my case, mine is this one, VBox SVR. Select that, then select the rest of that, /VBox SVR /VBox. Click on that and then click on OK. Now here make sure you have checked this option, Reconnect at Logon. Then click on Finish, and now we have, as you can see, we have the files from our original computer. These files also located in here in this folder. So okay, now file sharing is done. So now I will show you how you can get access a USB drive from your original computer in your virtual machine. So I have a USB flash drive. Now I'm connecting it to my computer. Let's minimize this. Okay, now my USB flash is detected. As you can see here, I have USB flash drive in my original computer, but it will be not showing up in my virtual machine. As you can see, there's no USB drive detected here. To do that, to get access to your USB flash drive, just go to Devices menu, then click on select the USB devices. After that, select your USB device, whichever your device is. In my case, my USB drive is Kingston Data Traveler. Click on that. Okay, I'm having problem attaching my USB to my virtual machine. You can try that. You can try attaching your USB like this. So, and now let's go to my computer, and now I will show you how to share your CD-ROM or DVD-ROM with your virtual machine. As you can see, I have Windows 7 DVD here, but it's not showing in my virtual machine. As you can see, instead of Windows 7 DVD, I have something like, as you can see, it's empty. So now I will show you how to share your DVD or CD-ROM to your virtual machine. So to do that, click on devices, then CD DVD devices, then click on host drive. Now you can see here is the Windows 7 DVD. Okay guys, this is how you can use VirtualBox complete step by step. And you know what, making this video was not easy for me, but I made it on anyway. So thank you for your attention. I hope I made you understand. You know what, making this video is a little bit complicated for me, but I have tried my best to make you understand. So if you have any questions, just let me know on the comments below. Inshallah, I will try my best to answer your every single questions. So please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for my upcoming videos. So see you on my next videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz and Tata.